Hey guys, what's going on? It's Tuesday morning, posting my daily 9 a.m. video. Before I get into this, make sure you like, subscribe, comment below. Virgin Galactic, ticker SPCE, had a huge downwards day yesterday. They had a lot of great news over the weekend. It had a really great run last week leading up into the first flight to space with Richard Branson. It was obviously successful over the weekend, got a lot of good news. However, the day finished yesterday with some, really nasty downward trends. So it opened or closed yesterday at $41.11. So the thing is, you get a lot of people that day trade or do little swing trades when they see momentum or see hype. And what they do is they load up the stock, it runs up due to excitement. And then once the excitement hits or happens, they just dump their shares. And also, they announced that they're going to be selling some shares and raising some money. So if you add both those things together, it causes a mass panic. And, it's really a short-term issue, not a long-term. This is a stock I'm a long-term investor in, so I don't plan on selling the stock for years. It was very rocky a couple weeks ago. It actually went as low as $15. My cost base is, I believe it's $19 or $20. I was looking at the stock at 15 and a lot of people were like, oh, they're just going to get delays. It's never going to happen. There was a lot of people that were really hating on the stock just due to all the delays in the fall of 2020 and winter of 2021. Things they kept missing test flight windows and all that stuff. So it was $15. That was a great opportunity to buy. It was hovering around this area for about 3 months also, just all throughout the spring. So it's just crazy how things can change that fast in a couple weeks. And now it just had a 16.44% correction yesterday. And people are freaking out saying, oh my God, I lost 8% or 10%. Like, yeah, I mean, if you're day trading, when companies run up like this, it's kind of smart to raise money and sell shares, because that way they have ways to grow the business and they're going to take advantage of this big market cap the company is right now. So as a long-term investor, I wouldn't buy at $41.11 based on where they're at and where they need to go. But, this is a perfect example why you should long-term invest, because one time it might work, you're going to get burnt 4 other times, which means you're going to lose money, then you're going to get a bitter taste in your mouth about the market, and then you're going to be out money. So not worth it. So am I looking to buy at $41? No. Do I recommend it? Probably not. I mean, it's a really risky play still, but if it falls under, I don't think it's ever going to go below 20 again, but if it goes to the $25 range, I wouldn't mind averaging cost up depending on what the market's doing as a whole. So obviously I already said this, they sold shares to raise money. Richard Branson did go to space successfully. That was over the weekend. He's obviously the owner if you don't know who that is. So that's really awesome. Next step or next phase is to offer commercial flights. They are FAA approved now, so they can do that. I believe tickets are going to be around $200K, which is very pricey. So most likely only very wealthy people are going to at least go for the time being, and then they'll probably drive down costs and find cheaper ways to do it so more people can go. So that's what happened with Virgin Galactic Space today. Super exciting news. Some just quick news on what to look for this weekend. The banks are reporting their earnings for last quarter. The Fed is going to talk about June's inflation this week, I believe Wednesday. So these are all some really, neat things to look at. The banks kind of tell you how much money's moving around. Obviously, inflation. Don't get caught up on the year over year. I would focus more on month to month. Obviously, it's been going down 0.2% the past couple months, which means inflation isn't as bad as what people think. It's transitory. So I do think it's going to probably stay the same as last month, or maybe go down 0.1%, which is good. I think the market's also pricing that in. It finished green yesterday. So we'll see what happens this week. And obviously I'll keep making videos and keep you guys posted. Just real quick, rolling through my account. Let me see if there was any notable things. So Coinbase fell 0.43, so it's at 247 again. Not really interested in averaging cost down unless it gets to the 230, 225 range. Corsair Gaming just stayed stagnant. What else had a good day? Google continues to go up a little bit. PayPal went up a little bit. Obviously, Virgin Galactic got hit 16.44%. True Leaf got hit 3.27, so it's at $37. That's a good buy. Tesla's been rolling. It had a 4.57% gain today, so that was my biggest mover today. Really, other than that, I mean, Tattoo Chef stayed stagnant. I mean, it was kind of a boring day in the market, minus like Space, and Tesla had a good day. So that's really all I got. Again, guys, make sure you like, subscribe, comment below. Really trying to get to 600 subs before the end of the month. See if we can do it. So just hit the subscribe button right there. It's much appreciated. Till tomorrow. Peace.